I know how hard it can be to keep your engine running smoothly without breaking the bank. I bought and tested these 5 motor oil additives so you don't have to waste your money. Let's dive deep into what makes these products stand out in a crowded market and figure out which ones are actually worth your time and cash. Product number 1, Tymino Catalytic Converter Cleaner. When I first got my hands on the Tymino Catalytic Converter Cleaner, I was skeptical. I mean, can a simple bottle really fix my engine's woes? After pouring it into my fuel tank during a routine fill-up, I noticed a significant improvement in my car's performance. The engine started up quicker and ran smoother, which was a relief. This additive is designed to clean and protect the catalytic converter, reducing carbon buildup. It's like a detox for your vehicle. On the plus side, it's incredibly easy to use. No need for disassembly or professional help. Just pour it in and go. However, it's important to note that it's not suitable for all engine types, particularly 2-stroke engines. I loved how it also helped improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions, which is a win for both my wallet and the environment. Overall, if you're looking to extend the life of your exhaust system and optimize engine performance, Tymino is a solid choice. Pros: easy to use, improves fuel efficiency, reduces emissions. Cons: not compatible with 2-stroke engines. Why buy it? If you're tired of your engine performing poorly and want a quick, budget-friendly solution, this cleaner could be exactly what you need. Product number 2, Hot Shot's Secret Original Stiction Eliminator. When I tried Hot Shot's Secret Original Stiction Eliminator, I was blown away by how quickly it worked. After adding it to my truck's oil, I noticed a significant decrease in engine noise and vibration. This product is specially formulated to tackle stiction, sticky deposits that can form inside your engine and cause performance issues. The result? Improved power and compression, and those annoying lifter and valve noises were significantly reduced. It neutralizes harmful engine acids and reduces frictional drag, which means your engine runs smoother and lasts longer. The only downside I found was the price. It's a bit on the expensive side for a single bottle, but if you want to avoid costly engine repairs in the long run, it's worth the investment. Pros: excellent for reducing engine noise, improves compression. Cons: higher price point. Why buy it? If you're experiencing performance issues or just want to extend the life of your engine, Hot Shot's Secret is an excellent choice. Product number 3, Lucas Oil Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer. I've been using Lucas Oil Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer for a while now, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. When I first poured it into my engine, I was amazed at how much smoother it ran. The stabilizer increases oil life by at least 50%, which means fewer changes and a bit of cost saved. It reduces oil consumption and eliminates those dreaded dry starts that can be so harmful. My engine felt more powerful and my fuel efficiency improved noticeably. One thing to keep in mind is that this product is designed for specific vehicles, so be sure to check compatibility before purchasing. Pros: extends oil life, reduces dry starts, improves fuel efficiency. Cons: may not be suitable for all vehicle types. Why buy it? If you're looking to enhance your engine's performance and longevity, this is a must-have. Product number 4, Tribotec's Nano Oil Additive. I was intrigued when I learned about Tribotec's Nano Oil Additive. The technology behind it is revolutionary, developed with input from the US Department of Energy and NASA. After adding it to my engine, I noticed a significant reduction in noise and vibration, making my driving experience much smoother. This additive uses synthetic nanoparticles to create a diamond-like coating on engine components, reversing wear and tear. It's compatible with all types of motor oil and works wonders on both old and new vehicles. The only drawback? The price is a bit high for a single treatment, but the benefits are undeniable. Pros: advanced technology, reduces noise, universal fit. Cons: higher price point. Why buy it? If you want to take your engine's performance to the next level, Tribotec is worth every penny. Product number 5, Liqui Moly Moss 2 Anti-Friction. I recently decided to try Liqui Moly Moss 2 Anti-Friction additive, and it did not disappoint. This product works to reduce friction in gears, which is crucial for smooth operation. After using it, I noticed a marked improvement in my vehicle's performance, especially during acceleration. It's a small bottle, but packs a punch with its anti-friction properties. However, one downside is that it's primarily designed for gears, so it might not be as effective for general engine use. Nevertheless, if you're looking to enhance your vehicle's gear performance, this is a fantastic option. Pros: effective for gears, enhances performance. Cons: limited application to gears. Why buy it? If you're focused on optimizing your vehicle's gear performance, Liqui Moly is a solid investment.
In conclusion, these 5 motor oil additives each bring something unique to the table. Whether you're looking to clean your catalytic converter, eliminate stiction, or enhance your engine's performance, there's an option here for you. Investing in the right additive can lead to better performance and longevity for your vehicle, so choose wisely.